Here we are at Reepham level crossing, Misuse, with Delta Australia. There we go, time now 16:30 on Monday the 1st of March 2021, and this will be the 1632 2 Tango 56 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Newark Northgate. This crossing has no less than 7 approaches. There's like 7 wigwags though. There's like 2 lights here. There's 1 there, there's 2 there, there's 1 there, and then there's 1 all the way on that other side. The closest timetable for this crossing is Langworth signal box, which is a few minutes to that way. I filmed this crossing once before, but that's like the only time. And there's a whistle board over there for a little footpath crossing called Willow number 64. And this whole crossing is controlled remotely, manually, by Langworth signal box and monitored through CCTV. The train is coming from this way, so I'm going to point at that light up there. But one thing I love about this crossing is just like how many different angles you can get. One of the more popular ones is to stand on the far side near where those cars are and film the light that's completely separate for the whole crossing. That's one of the more popular approaches. The only other time I've been there, I was actually that side and did that wigwag there. Here it comes. It's a 156, I can tell that. One 156 922 to Newark. Come on, Langworth, put them up. Langworth signal box, you put the barriers up right now, thank you. Oh, what is happening here? Oh, what is this? Is this an emergency sequence or something? What's happening here? Oh, thank you, put us up. What happened there? Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.